Hi, it's Susie McCrea from Amherst, Massachusetts in the United States of America. And I do some consulting work, but most of my time is spent on working with ONPASSIVE and helping my fellow founders. So why ONPASSIVE? Well, over a year ago, I was looking for ways to help my MLM, multi-level marketing team, and a woman in a woman's entrepreneur group posted about ONPASSIVE, and it piqued my interest. And the reason why it piqued my interest was because of the fact that it would help everybody and that you would not need to recruit, and it was an all-in-one marketing platform. Since then, as we know, it has turned into a total internet solution. So that is the reason why I jumped on board. And the message that I'd like to send out to all founders is, in the course of my journey, I and me has turned to we. So my message is we need to focus on we. Not on I, not on me, not on my team, but we. We as a team and ONPASSIVE. We are here to help each other, regardless if we're on each other's team or not. We are here with a servant heart, and we're here to support our CEO, Ash Mufareh, and his entire team. So that's the message I am sending to you. Start looking at changing things from I and me to we. And not only are you going to be successful, but so is ONPASSIVE. Thanks, everyone.